Welcome to Bear Point, a premier new home community in Long Beach, Mississippi, proudly developed by award-winning DSLD Homes. Located in the heart of the friendly city, Bear Point offers move-in ready homes with spacious 3, 4, and 5-bedroom floor plans designed for comfortable living. Every home is thoughtfully built with high-quality finishes, including granite countertops, crown molding, high ceilings, stainless steel appliances, and durable wood-look ceramic tile flooring. Each detail blends style and lasting value, creating a home that's as beautiful as it is functional. Bear Point homes feature four-sided brick, covered patios, and upscale details like matte black LED lighting, Pfister plumbing fixtures, and framed mirrors in every bathroom. Plus, with ENERGY STAR certified construction, radiant barrier roof sheathing, low-E windows, and advanced insulation, these homes are built for efficiency, reducing energy costs, while improving indoor air quality. Bear Point is perfectly located to balance coastal charm with city convenience. Enjoy the nearby beaches, shopping at prime outlets, and local attractions. Whether you're buying your first home, relocating, or upgrading, Bear Point offers the perfect combination of luxury, comfort, and convenience. Discover your dream home today at Bear Point.